How to create a 3D wireframe room animation effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. Inside your Project Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Click and drag a Fusion composition clip to your timeline. The default length of this clip will be 5 seconds. Right-click on your Fusion composition clip and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside the Fusion Nodes area, click and add a background tool. Select either left or right view underneath each node as you work through this tutorial to see a preview of your clip above the Fusion timeline. With background 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Color, reduce the value of alpha from 1 to 0 so that the space in between each of the grid lines will be transparent. With background 1 still selected, hold and Shift and press space. Using the search box at the bottom of your Select Tool window, search for a grid tool. Select this and go to click on Add. With this new node selected and in right view, return to Inspector and underneath Controls, ensure that the number of rows and columns in your grid are the same, which will also assist in creating a seamless loop rotation effect later on. Change row cells from 12 to 20. To ensure that each line is of the same weight, reduce the major line spacing from 4 to 0, so that all lines on the grid appear alike. To change the grid color itself, double-click on the white box next to Line Color, and select your color of choice. Here in this example, I will choose one of the basic color green presets options with the hexadecimal code #00AA00. Click OK once you're done. With grid 1 still selected, hold and Shift and press space again. This time go to add a soft glow tool, which will add a gentle vibrancy to your grid. If you wish to enhance the brightness further, increase the value of gain under Controls in Inspector. Here in this particular project, I will maintain the default soft glow values. With soft glow 1 still selected, hold and Shift and press space again, and go to add a Shape 3D node. To ensure that this effect is processed by DaVinci Resolve, with Shape 3D 1 still selected, hold and Shift and press space once again, and go to add a Renderer 3D tool. Click on the grey box alongside Renderer 3D, and drag your mouse cursor down to the yellow arrow alongside Media Out 1 to make a connection. Select either left or right view underneath Media Out 1 to see a preview of your final effect above the Fusion timeline. Reselect Shape 3D 1. Under Inspector and Controls, change the shape from plane to cube. Ensure that lock width, height and depth is ticked so that each of these dimensions are consistent with one another as we adjust the size. To make it appear that we are inside the cube, increase the value for size. Here in this example, I will increase this to 4.65. To bring both the ceiling and floor into view, select Transform. Underneath Scale, untick Lock X, Y and Z and decrease the value for Y. Here in this example, I will decrease this to 0.355. Now to create the 3D rotation effect. Ensure that the first frame in your video clip is selected. Here it is 0, as indicated by the red play marker on the Fusion timeline. Select the keyframe diamond icon next to rotation Y. Now go to the last frame in your animation clip and increase the value for rotation Y to 90 so that it appears that the camera is rotating to the right. Change rotation Y to -90 on the other hand if you wish for the rotation effect to occur in the opposite direction. As mentioned previously, by default the duration of the Fusion composition clip is 5 seconds. If you wish for the rotation to repeat, select Spline, tick the box next to Shape 3D 1, drag your red playhead marker on the Fusion timeline back to the first frame to reveal 2 nodes that represent the keyframes that you added to the rotation Y property. Click and drag over these to highlight them, and go to click on Set Loop below to create the repeating rotation effect. Close the Spline window, return to your Edit window. To change the duration of the clip, select the Fusion composition clip and holding Ctrl and press D. Here I will change this clip to 15 seconds. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.